आईपीएल और कंट्रोवर्सी साथ साथ चलते हैं और आईपीएल शुरू होने से पहले एक नई कंट्रोवर्सी फिर आ गई। और अब की बार आईपीएल कंट्रोवर्सी के शिकार हुए हैं चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के लॉयल सोल्जर सुरेश रैना। सुरेश रैना आईपीएल शुरू होने से पहले ही वापस चले गए अपने घर, पर्सनल रीजन साइड करके। और ये बात से काफ़ी नाराज़ हुए एन श्रीनिवासन, जो ओनर है चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के। उन्होंने यहाँ तक इल्ज़ाम लगा दिया रैना पर कि सक्सेस जो है उनके दिमाग पे चढ़ गया है। ये भी इल्ज़ाम लगाया श्रीनिवासन ने कि सुरेश रैना इसलिए नाराज़ है कि उनको सीएसके के कैप्टन है महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जैसी स्वीट बैल्कनी के साथ। श्रीनिवासन ने यह भी कहा कि क्या खोएंगे सुरेश रैना। सुरेश रैना की आईपीएल सैलरी है 11 करोड़ रुपए एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट अर्निंग क्रिकेटर्स इन आईपीएल। तो दोस्तों चलिए चलते हैं, बात करते हैं जी कृष्णन क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट से और सीएसके के कीन फॉलोअर से कि क्या इम्पैक्ट रहेगा सुरेश रैना के जाने के बाद आईपीएल पे, और वो कौन सा प्लेयर है जो रिप्लेस कर सकता है सुरेश रैना को। बिफोर मूविंग अहेड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल द स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट, क्योंकि मैं ताऊ सीरीज में बहुत सारी ऐसी स्टोरीज लाता रहूंगा। फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव जी कृष्णन ओवर हियर who's a cricket expert. Of course we know him, he was there in our last show. And Jiku, you must be surprised by Suresh Raina's exit, and with he came out with a silly reason. I mean, are you surprised with Raina? Of course.
So, surprised as in, yeah, considering that the true loyal that he has been with the Chennai Super Kings all these years, it is surprising. But then one can't judge on people's decisions, especially in this present situation that we are all facing. Family comes first. Of course, he knew that he was leaving his young family before going to the Dubai for the IPL, and then to come there, to come back from Dubai after at least 10 of his team members, including the support staff, have tested positive. Probably that has made him, realize the importance of being close to the family. And those things probably he was late in realizing what his priorities at this moment were. And one can't actually judge, call it a silly reason or anything. But then it is definitely a surprising thing, especially when you have, when you have Dhoni in your team and all the others are not taking a backward.
Of course, he was not just a player but a match winner for Chennai Super Kings. But will CSK have a major impact on their batting order? And considering he was also a super fielder at point or anywhere wherever Dhoni would have put him.
Definitely. Suresh Raina has been an integral part of Chennai Super Kings. He has been the top number 3 batsman, and who has been a connect between the top order and the middle, who can even sometimes bat long till the end if wickets fall early. And he also gives that left hand option right at the top and even upset the bowler's rhythm, and with his wide range of strokes. So that way CSK's batting is definitely impacted by Suresh Raina's absence. But then, of course, they have other resources to plug that gap.
What about Dhoni? I mean, Srinivasan, the owner of Chennai Super Kings, says that Dhoni, it did not have a major impact on Dhoni because he's looking cool like always. But do you think they were in the back of the mind somewhere Dhoni might miss him?
Definitely, Dhoni will miss a player of the caliber of Suresh Raina, especially in IPL. And and they have it's not just on the field, but even off the field. They have been the best of friends, even from their India days. So definitely, Dhoni will miss Suresh Raina on the field for his enthusiasm, for his being quick feet on the field. He's a very good all-round, very good fielder, even though age is catching up. And of course, Dhoni has always been a cool person. Even in extreme pressure situations, he will not succumb to pressure, or he doesn't show or reveal that he is under pressure. And very rarely have we got to see that Dhoni was actually really succumbing to pressure. So Dhoni will have his own ways of tackling with this huge impact that CSK is facing in the absence of Suresh Raina. When it comes to tactics and all those kind of things, that he will definitely find some way in fixing this issue, and that CSK will not by the tournament comes to an end, they will not feel the absence of Suresh Raina. So he will do something.
That Srinivasan said that Suresh Raina might be losing out on 11 crore rupees, which is a huge amount. If you look at Raina is one of the highest earners in his the whole IPL setup, and there are talks that CSK won't take him back. I mean, is it right? Will it be a right decision of CSK if Raina wants to come back in the middle of the tournament?
We only go by what reports have been coming from Dubai, or what others are writing, that we do not know exactly what has happened between Suresh Raina and the team, or if at all anything has happened. But it won't be fair to say, like I said, no, it won't be fair to judge on his decision to come back. And of course, 11 crore is not a small sum. And anybody would feel the pinch. Of course, I'm sure Suresh Raina will, if at all, has to forego this fee. He will definitely be finding it tough. But then nothing compares to no amount of money is enough not to compensate for anything that happens in the family. Money is nothing when it comes to priorities, because family is the most important thing. And I'm sure he will find, or if at all, he will speak his or voice his concerns and talk to the top management of CSK and find his way back. If they say that his career with CSK is finished, then I'm sure he will definitely find his way, alternative options that can keep him going.
It's a setback considering that Chennai Super Kings, in the first phase of the tournament, even before the tournament began, 12 of their support staff tested positive from coronavirus. It's a tough condition. Do you think it will have a major impact as far as performances of the team is concerned? I mean, the support staff are important net bowlers, and two players who have tested positive. So they are champions of last year. And
definitely, yes. So CSK's performance will be impacted. Losing out two players even before they haven't hit the nets is forget even the first ball of the tournament being bowled. That's a huge impact. And of course, we have known, and they've been saying that CSK is a team of old players and the 30 plus, 35 plus players. But then they have been champion, and they have won a title 2 years back, even with the more or less the same team. So Suresh Raina's absence, again coming to that, will give an opportunity to somebody like, say, a forgotten batsman of the caliber of Murali Vijay. So this probably he can look at this as a blessing in disguise, and probably come and fill in that gap created by Suresh Raina's absence, and maybe look at reviving his international career. You never know. We have seen careers being made from one season in IPL, and Murali Vijay can just look at it as a chance to prove his work.
Another guy, Rituraj Gaikwad, is being talked about to replace Suresh Raina, although he's been tested positive, but it's asymptomatic, and he's an attacking batsman, someone who can go after the ball in a hard way. So do you think like a youngster like him, Rituraj Gaikwad, can make full use of Raina's absence?
Definitely, yes. It's a chance for him who has done well for India A. And I'm not sure. I don't know how it works when after he comes back from quarantine, and how he is he's up to the challenge of facing bowlers. Or I'm not sure, because as it is, he may not have had enough practice with the bat during this lockdown period. and he probably would have looked to this 2-3 weeks before the IPL started to get into the rhythm. Now that he is going to be in isolation, and it will take that much more longer for him to hit the nets, whatever they talk about batting and getting into the groove.
Perfect. It was nice talking to you, G. Krishnan, once again, and you've been a fantastic speaker as far as cricket is concerned. And I would like to have you in some more videos, and we'll talk a lot about IPL. Huh?
Yeah, we will do that. Thank you for this.
आई होप दोस्तों आप लोग को स्टोरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, क्योंकि हमने डिटेल में बात की चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के बारे में, एनालाइज किया कि कौन आ सकता है सुरेश रैना के बदले या कौन खेल सकता है और कितना मेजर इम्पैक्ट होगा धोनी के ऊपर और सीएसके के ऊपर। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा मेरे चैनल को। फिलहाल के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अलविदा।